What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned, stay in tuned. Today we're gonna do a little POV, nothing too crazy. Got this fucking Honda on my ass. Now he's backing up. But yeah, let's get into it. I think I finally picked the color for the M6, so that's gonna be another video, but for anyone that said I couldn't slide, your mother can't slide. Fuck am I? No. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna go that way. Fuck it. Go to the city tonight, which means I might do another little POV, which is definitely going to be more exciting because there ain't shit out here in Suffolk County. But yeah, that video should be good, so be on the lookout for that shit. Probably the first time I've ever driven the speed limit, honestly. I just realized that. I'm like, why am I going so slow? Yeah. I was looking at the M2, the new M2, and I was like, wow, this shit actually looks nicer than I thought it would. I don't think I've ever paid it that much attention, to be honest. So I think it always I always just thought of the M2, looked at it a couple times and was like, it's all right. But I'm kind of liking it better than the G80. I don't know, maybe I'm going crazy, but I think I'm liking it more than G80 for the only reason being it's not basic. Like, not many people have the M2. Like, more people have the G80, I feel like, than they do have the M2, at least where I am. I've seen more G80s at car meets or anything like that than I've seen M2s. Parking lot to slide, but yeah, I'm liking the M2 a little bit more, to be honest. It's growing on me a lot more. But then I kind of want to make the M4 So then I'll have like 246, M2, M4, M6. I want my M2 to be manual, of course. That's gonna be the last. Jesus. Excuse me. The M2, like I was fucking saying, I feel like the G80 and everything, like it's gonna be the last of the manuals. Like the next breed of cars, the H90, the H80, and the H82, H87, like all that shit is gonna be hybrid, automatic only. Like I know it. Don't tell me how I know it, but I know it. So I feel like it's only right, you know, the last gen you'll get the manual, because now I have 2 automatics or DCTs, but this shit is kind of whack. Like I had a manual F80 before I even did YouTube, and I wish I documented that shit, because that shit was beautiful. But yeah, I'm feeling like I definitely need a manual to the lineup, and it would hit better if it's an M2 manual than a G80 manual. Nah, I don't believe that, honestly. I lied to you. Scratch that shit. But regardless of what, the G80 is a little bit overpriced. They're going down a little bit, but I think I'm leaning toward the M2, and then I'll make that one like kind of like a fast type of shit, because it's such a small fucking car. It's light. And then my M4 will be like, I don't know, maybe my fucking drift car. Maybe I'll do some shit to it, make it a drift car. And then the M6, because it's such a big body and it's like such a classic and you don't see it all the time, that one's gonna be like kind of like a show stance car. Nothing too crazy, nothing too wild. Kind of do it like that. I think that's gonna be my lineup, to be honest. I don't know where I'm going. I'm not going that way. That way looks sus, honestly. But yeah, I think that might be the wave. Ooh. That instant S55 power, undefeated. If you know, you know. Go through there. I was about to do some fucking race car shit, but these roads are fucked up. You know what's fucking ridiculous in New York? I have to inspect my car to be on your shitty roads. Maybe you should inspect your roads for my beautiful car to be on your shitty roads. Maybe that should be the fucking plan. That's what I notice about New York. I have to inspect my fucking car to make sure it's worthy to be on your shitty ass roads, when it should be the other way around, to be honest. You know how many people blow out a tire in New York City or any of the 5 boroughs every fucking day just because their roads are so shit? I mean, luckily I don't have to deal with that, but still. What the hell? Man, that's a nice ass house. Go down one of these streets. It's very interesting to me over here. Hello. That's nice. M240? No. M235. I don't know. Couldn't tell you. This is like the fucking I've lived here for a million years houses. That's fucking beautiful. Where the fuck am I? Oh, what's this down here? Is this? Ah, that's whack. Whoa. Ever since I got my car wrapped, my parking sensors don't work. Fun fact. Yeah, I get it. And for you bum-ass motherfuckers, I've only got 26,000 miles on this car, so don't act like my shit's fucking clapped out. Just don't do that. Don't do that. Whoa. Nah. I won't disturb the peace. I'm gonna be a model citizen today. Oh, what was that? I think it was a Rolls Royce back there. I'm in foreign territory. It's just so fun. Fuck you. Well, annoying. I hate these fucking roads. You turn down the wrong street all the fucking time. Jesus. I could have sworn that fucking F-150 was just moving. Maybe I'm bugging. I don't even know where the fuck I am. Just kind of winging it, to be honest. It's nice over here. It's kind of like quiet, trees and shit. I was debating if I wanted to do some donuts and shit, to be honest. gang. I think I'm gonna end it there. Again, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Stay in tuned. And I'll see you in another motherfucking video.